What I wish I knew at the start of my business journey, how $37 could change everything. Here's how. Introducing our library of 60 recession-proof SOPs designed to help you start or scale your business even in tough times. From eco-friendly product stores to consulting firms, e-commerce to digital retail and home healthcare, our SOPs cover it all. Worried about economic downturns? These SOPs offer step-by-step guidance, making sure you have the tools to succeed, no matter the climate. Why spend more on consultants or pricey courses? With just $37, you get actionable, ready-to-use plans that put you in control. Imagine the freedom and security you'll feel knowing you're prepared for anything. Join thousands of entrepreneurs who've turned their dreams into reality with our SOP library. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Download your guide today and start building your recession-proof business. Ready to take control? Click the link and transform your business for just $37.